Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Just opened this now. This is some of my old seeds. What's it? It's 2013 on that one. They've just not been used. So I'm going to go through some of these and see, do a few tests and see if any of these are still viable. 2013. So we've got gazania, sunshine mix, sunflowers, sweet corn. See what else is in here, shall we? Poppy, Iceland, ballerina mix, tomatoes. That's 2012, that one. Wow, we haven't got all these. Right, let's get some of these. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 there. I'm going to go through these. None of them I might not get any at all that might sprout. On the other hand, they could all be fine. Never know, never know. So let's get cracking, shall we? First of all, fill me a tray up, you don't want to see that, with some peat-based compost. Yeah, like I said, first of all, peat-based compost. So let's have a look at these, shall we? Lettuce seeds. Let's get my scissors. I just like, instead of chucking them away, let's see, and let's have a look and see if there's any seeds that are actually viable. It's 2012, 2014, 6-7 years ago. It says on these, March to August, prepared seed bed. Blah, 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 blah. You've got it all there, all the detail. Lettuce, little gem. So let's get these sown, shall I? think I got these when I had an allotment quite a few years ago, but which I lost. 1.5 centimetres. So just get these out like so. A few in that bit. Bit of compost over them, don't have to be too precise. It's only just a germination test, this. Just to see if any of these are actually still usable. So I can use them in my allotment next year, which I'm really looking forward to. Hopefully we can all have the vaccine. Everything get back to normal. Mr. Fothergill seed, and these are gazanias. Drought tolerant for pots and beds, so February to March. So yeah, there's the instructions on there. 1 kitchen windowsill, all you need for starting these seeds. So 1/4 inch. Let's get these into these, shall we? Yeah, I hope everybody's keeping alright. I hope everybody has a good Christmas. I'm really looking forward to next gardening year. Once the longest days being here in the UK, oh, you know, the nights have been drawing out, which is great. This is a peat-based compost, this. Oh, let me just pad this down. My little homemade compost. Oh, perfect. Nice and flat like that. Right, let's get in these, shall we? Just another little row here. Just a few, just there. Better make some tags up for these first. Right, just the last one now. So, to get a name tag made up for this one. Tomatoes. Name tag in there. And just try these. Like I said, I've got nothing to lose. My lights run anyway from the other plants, so if some germinate, great. If they don't, not the end of the world, is it? Tomatoes. Yeah, these were Freeway newspaper, I think these ones gone as well, yeah, magazine, as you can see. So, yep. Yep, little fine layer over that, like so. And just give them the water now. So what I do for this is across here into my tray, like so. I give them a water on the top, and then they'll go under my lights in my heater propagator, and I shall keep you posted and see if any actually germinate. So yeah, if you like my videos, please subscribe everybody folks. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching everybody, and please keep safe.